Hey guys, it's me, Caleb. With Caleb's Months 50 Wings. But today, I got one of those eurekas I bought at Alco. As you can see, so the tank of the eureka light speed. So what I gotta do is wipe the tank down in the base and wash the filter up. That's about it. The brush roll doesn't feel like it's all that bad. So that's not bad. Wipe it down, wash that filter, and then we are back in business. So stay tuned. Okay guys, well, I got this washed down and cleaned filter. So this takes Eureka style U-belts and the belt in here. Hang on. There we go. But the filter, or belt, it doesn't look that bad, but it's still on a replace it to be safe. I think I have some Eureka style U-belts. I have, yep, 2 here. And a package of Honeywell filters. That's my wall of them. Actually, I don't even have bags for that thing. I wish I did. So I have to go out and buy more. The good thing is that one Eureka that I bought somewhere in my parts box, actually. It's in the back room there. I have a spare filter for it. It's brand new, basically, in the package. I opened it but never used it, so I'll replace that too. But stay tuned. Okay, guys. Well, for the randomness, we would capture this. This is pretty on a new style U-belt. So that's on. There, so now I'm going to stretch it down. This in there, just try it. Like so. Just hope it doesn't bind up against this side thing like it also did. Now actually, as soon as you get that thing to go down and lock, you're good to go. So, guys, I just want to thank you for watching. Well, guys, we got it all fixed up except for right here. I need to order a cord clip. So right now, this is actually an end cap off the Hoover. Scratch tape holding it on. Cleaned. And still got the store use sticker on there. Peeling up good, got bags. And then just wipe a little bit more dirt off of it. A filter port, and then we have a fully operational vacuum. Also, quick update to you guys. On my laptop, personal laptop, my sister's boyfriend is fixing it for me. So I get that fixed for free, and more than likely get it back tomorrow. Because he knows exactly what to do. And T-Ways, thanks for watching.